keep pressurizing you guys to get a baby na ni kitu yenye they don't know kila kitu nakuanga na time yake. It's also good to hear from you guys. How do you feel when you go pale online watu wanaambia kwanza mostly sijui nini hey acha tusikie tu how do you feel when people say that?
I think sisi tuko na plans. We have our plans. And kuna vitu yenye me on my side I feel like nafaa kufanya right way. Nafaa kwanza tufanye all those process. Nuaite kwanza rurasho kwa tunaita kwa ito. Wazazi wanipe baraka then I can go ahead and do that. Haiwezi enda mahali, we still have time. And I know one day tutakuwa na mtoto, so msipate pressure. Yes. I always say I always encourage her asikuwe na pressure ama hizi pressures zimpe hizo nini focus tu na life yake na goals yenye tuko nayo in life na tutafika tu hapo. Yes, step by step. Sindio baby?
Definitely God's time is the best. Benye Hezron anasema we're waiting for like the things that we've planned for ourselves, but always say if God grants us like right now, we'll still love it and embrace the journey. So definitely God's time is the best.
Amazing.
Kama kawaida.
I hope you guys